background music to your content is a great way to be able to go ahead and set the tone and the emotion for your content, and it also keeps your audience engaged. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and add background music to your pre-recorded content or your live streams utilizing Evmux. So let's go ahead and dive into my Evmux account so you can see how easy this truly is. So the first thing that we want to do is, once you're inside of the editor, you want to go ahead and create a new scene. So once you create a new scene, you're going to come to the pro scenes, you're going to select add scene, you're going to come to where it says empty scene, and we're going to go ahead and hit create. Now you can go ahead and add your music to any scene that you already have created, but I always like to start with a clean canvas. So once you have that new scene created, we're going to come to layers, we're going to add new layer, and then we're going to select media file. And this is where we're going to go ahead and find our music. So this is where you can go on your computer, you can go and download music from the sites that you utilize. I personally like to use Epidemic Sounds, and I'll leave a link in the description of the video if you would like to use them as well. So pretty much on Epidemic Sound, you have a genre of music you can utilize without any copyright issues. So I'm going to go ahead and select this song right here, Sunset Drive, and I'm going to go ahead and simply download it. I'm going to go ahead and select download full mix. And then what we need to do in order to get it inside of Evmux is we need to go ahead and convert this from an MP3 to either a WEBM or an MP4. And the easiest way to do that is to use an online tool to be able to convert it. I went ahead and put a link in the description of the video for a free converter, which is going to allow you to be able to do that. So what we want to do is we want to go ahead and drag our file, drop it into the converter, and then what we want to do is we want to change this to a WEBM, convert to WEBM, and it's going to go ahead and do its process and convert that file for us. And once it's converted, we can go ahead and simply download it. So you can see here that it's almost done. Doesn't take very long for it to complete. I can simply now go ahead and download that WEBM. And what we want to do is we want to come back into Evmux. We want to select upload new, and then you go ahead and see here that here is the song ES Sunset Drive. I can select that, hit open, and you can see it's going to begin to upload inside of Evmux. Now what we want to do is, let's say I want to go ahead and select a scene here. I want to select this town hall scene. I'm going to mute this here. I'm going to go back, and I'm going to go to media files. I'm going to go ahead and add that song. Now you're going to see here that it's added at the top. Now the best way to be able to avoid having that file being seen is we want to go ahead and make sure that it's layered correctly. So you can see here that I have coffee music all the way at the bottom. That's the song you just heard in the beginning. I'm going to go ahead and drag this song all the way down to the bottom, and now you can see that my music is the last layer, allowing it to be hidden but still be heard. So you can see here now when I unmute, you're going to be able to hear the song that I just went ahead and got from Epidemic Sounds. And just like that, you can see how easy it is to be able to level up the production of your live streams by adding background music and utilizing a few tools. So if you want to learn more about how to utilize Evmux to be able to continue to level up your live streams, go ahead and check out this video right here where I walk you step by step on how to take advantage of the Pro Scenes tool. I'll see you in the next video.